guys, welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a contract extension letter. What is a contract extension letter? A contract extension letter is a formal document used to extend the duration of an existing contract or agreement between two parties. This letter outlines the terms and conditions of the contract extension, including the new end date, any revised terms, and any additional agreements or requirements. It serves as a written record of the parties' mutual consent to continue their contractual relationship beyond the original expiration date. Contract extension letters are commonly used in various contexts, such as employment contracts, lease agreements, service contracts, and more, to formalize the extension of the contractual commitment. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a contract extension letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. And then, write the information about the recipient. You need to write the recipient's full name. Under it, write the occupation in the company. And write the company name. Here, the letter is addressed to the senior software engineer in Sunrise Corporation. Under it, write the address of the company or office. You need to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After writing those information, now you can open the letter with a salutation. Simply write, "Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, you can do an introduction. Sure, you can mention your name and your occupation in the company. And of course, write the reason why you are writing this letter. It is a must that you mention the purpose of the letter, which is to discuss the extension of the contract. And this is the example. I, Sarah Johnson, from HR Department, am writing to discuss the extension of your employment contract with Sunrise Corporation, in recognition of your exceptional performance and valuable contributions to our organization. Yes, you need to briefly acknowledge the recipient's contributions, so the recipient knows why the company wants to extend the employment contract. And mention the contract's current status that is about to expire. In the second paragraph, this is where you talk about the contract extension proposal. In this section, specify the details of the contract extension. They are including the new start and end dates of the extended contract. And here is the example. Your current employment contract is set to expire on January 30th, 2024. And we would like to extend this agreement for an additional period of 1 year. Commencing on February 1st, 2024, and concluding on January 31st, 2025. Along with the proposal, once again, explain why the company offer you a contract extension. You can briefly acknowledge the recipient's contributions or mention the contract's current status. Convince the recipient how the company appreciates his or her dedication to the company. You can simply write something like, "This decision reflects our confidence in your skills, dedication, and the positive impact you have made during your tenure with Sunrise Corporation." Sure, you can also mention the recipient's achievements and so on, based on your preference. In the third paragraph, talk about the new terms and conditions of the extended contract. You should tell if there is a change or remain the same. You need to clearly mention any specific terms or conditions that will remain the same or be updated by attaching the agreement along with this letter. And here is the example. During the extension period, your terms of employment, including compensation and benefits, will remain the same as outlined in your original contract. After mentioning the terms and conditions, show your confidence how the recipient will be a good asset to keep for the company. If you don't know what to write, you may simply copy this. We believe that your continued presence on our team will contribute to the ongoing success of our projects and objectives. This will give motivation to the recipient and appreciation at once. In the fourth paragraph, write a confirmation request. In this case, you need to ask the recipient to confirm their agreement to the contract extension. For example, is by signing and returning a copy of the letter by a specified date. And here, you can write something like, "We kindly request your confirmation of this contract extension by signing and returning a copy of this letter to us by January 15, 2024. Mentioning the date here is a must, so the recipient can take their time and consider before the date. Not only that, you can also encourage them to reach out if they have any questions or need clarification. Yes, include your contact details and, if applicable, the contact details of an HR representative. Here is the example. If you have any questions or require further clarification regarding the terms of the extension, please do not hesitate to contact me or our HR representative, Lisa Adams. Sure, you can provide contact information for any inquiries or clarification like phone number and email address. In the 5th paragraph, it is where you show appreciation. You need to be sincere in delivering your appreciation. You may write, "Your commitment and dedication to Sunrise Corporation are greatly appreciated. And we look forward to your positive response to this contract extension." In the last paragraph, express your appreciation for the recipient's contributions. For example, "Thank you for your continued contribution to our organization." And write also your anticipation of continued collaboration. You may write, "We anticipate another successful and productive year working together." Finally, you can use a professional closing, such as, "Sincerely," followed by your name and title. Leave space for your signature if the letter is in print. If there are any additional documents or agreements related to the contract extension, mention them at the end of the letter. So, that's how you write a contract extension letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.